Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 18 of Nailmas, and we are jumping right in by putting on a blue base that is called Peekaboo by Heroine NYC. I kind of forgot to film like a little intro for this video, so that's why we're jumping right into the design, but today's theme is actually a like Christmas candy theme, so I thought of a candy cane hot chocolate for something a little different and not traditional, like not what you would expect for a candy theme. So I am starting out by putting on my mug, and I'm doing this in a really odd way, but I found this worked really well for trying to create an equal mug and making it not look super weird. Of course, this is a harder thing to do on camera, so it should be easier for you if you are doing it on your own nails. But for this, I am just using some red acrylic paint and my orally short detailer brush. Totally love this brush, and I hope it comes back in stock so whenever I'm like recommending it to people, people can actually go get it. Anyway, now I'm moving on to kind of the back piece of this mug because we're going to fill in that little spot with the hot chocolate, and for that, well, we're going to get to that part. First, I'm going to go ahead and add a handle. You could totally be creative with this and create a cute shape. Like, for example, I actually have a mug that has like a heart-shaped handle, which would be fun. But since it's Christmas, I kept it classic, but you could do this for like Valentine's Day. As you can see, I did go ahead and with some brown acrylic paint and I put in the hot chocolate, and now I'm taking my white acrylic paint, adding some marshmallows and the base for the candy cane, which is where the whole Christmas candy element comes in for this manicure. After that, I thought, we needed some more details on the mug, so I went ahead and went back in with that white acrylic paint and added a little snowflake. Of course, we're working with a small space, so I didn't get like super detailed. Definitely trying to do little details on camera. It's a tricky thing. But once that was done, I went ahead and moved back to the candy cane because the white was dry and put in the little red stripes that you would traditionally see on a candy cane. It's kind of hard to do and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but I think you'll be able to see it in today's picture on Instagram and of course in the thumbnail of this video. So here is the final look at my little hot chocolate on my nails, and then I just paired it with some other accent nails, which you will see in the pictures. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick manicure. It didn't come out like 100% like I wanted, but we did the theme, we had fun, and I hope you all enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!